Well, I forgot. I forgot this lift last time and now it's gone, so whatever. I'm guessing this is a monospace, but I'll look at the door equipment. Yeah, it's gone. That's so annoying. This would have been an R7 or R9 before. Monospace R9. I have the new chime. This side. Oh no. That's a regular Pixel Tech chime. Logic cabinet has a different lock on it for some reason. Got to this one too late.
Second floor. Going down.
All built again?
First
Oh, maybe not.
floor. Going up.
Kind of well built, I guess. $1,600 kilograms, 21 persons. Dewhurst, US 95. I don't know what's wrong with the monospace, but whatever.
Floor. Going down.
Has Otis' own door equipment. Lovely.
Fifth